and the quality is good also. Here is a little twist. So I have taken this screen down to pieces. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Rebuilds, and in this one we are going to install a reverse parking camera in our car, and it is a must-have feature in case you don't have a friend like this. As usual, here is everything that you need for this build. The screen, you can just install it on your dashboard. So what happens is when you press this button, you press it and it just flips out the screens. This double-sided tape. The wires, these wires are, this is the power cable, and these two wires you can connect to the input. This is a reverse parking camera. So this one is also quite cheap. In India I can get it for 400, 500, and that's like the similar price I got it here. I don't even actually remember what price it was. It's quite cheap, no worries. So this whole setup might cost you 1000 to 1500, so no big. Oh, oops. Right here is the camera. Looks pretty. For this as well, this is the power cable, and this is going to be the output cable that you are going to connect to the LCD. So here is the power cable. It is quite long because it needs to go from the rear to your dashboard. Just put it in and put this one in the LCD that I mentioned. And here is the power cable for this. Power cable connected here, and so this thing you can connect to your reverse lights, so that as soon as you put on the reverse gear, it'll come on. Drill machine, if you have it, good. If you don't have it, you can still work it out. So this attachment, you'll get it with the product. Plier, screwdrivers, some heat shrinks, some wire tappers, more screwdrivers. So this is all you need. So let's do it. Since the camera needs to be installed this way, here is the place where I'm going to make a hole to install the camera. It is a bit tricky to reach there using the drill machine, but still, let's try. So the hole is in place. This is a little outwards because it was difficult to reach it, and there was some blockage inside which I also cleared using the drill machine. The hole is ready. I can install the camera inside now.
In my beamer, all day I drive around in my beamer.
The hole that was in the boot to pass these wires that I found was too small, so these two were not going through. So I just cut it into two. I'll pass it through now, and then I can join these wires inside. Another good thing about this camera is that I don't have to worry about the orientation because there's only one way in which I can fix it. Earlier in my previous car, when I was installing this, the camera was circular and I installed it without checking. So what happened is it was installed upside down, so I had to take it apart, and trust me, it's not easy to take it apart because these hooks, these if you can see, yeah, these hooks, they hold it upwards and don't let it come out. So that camera was supposed to be installed like this, and I installed it like this, so everything was upside down. So, but in this case, don't have to worry, this is the only way it can be installed. So there you go. The camera is installed nice and snug. The wires are inside right there. I'll make the connections again.
place I rep. I put my heart and soul into the very depth.
So the camera is installed right there. The wires are here. Let's make some test connections before actually installing this so that we know it's working. Yeah.
Man, the heights that Island is the place I rep. I put my heart and soul into the very depth. As I walk, people staring, they're like, how this kid swagger so tight? Oh my god, I'm a money making machine. Inquired all the time, questions pop up. Where I'm getting that green, they wanna know where I go, what I do, where I'm at, click clack. Recommend you stay back, I'm a crazy made man for you yet to discover. Keep pushing my buttons and I'ma start the show. Let the others understand how I roll in the streets, a true soldier. Always carrying my heat.
Check this out, let me turn on the car. It works. And the quality is good also. So the camera was facing the roof, that's why it is white. Otherwise now you can see the back. I am happy with it. So let's go ahead with the installation.
Winner, winner is all here around me, cause that's the usual life of an OG. When I hit up the mall, people be asking me how. Each of my arms is bigger than my house. In my beamer, all day I drive around in my beamer. All day I drive around in my beamer. Starting hard, looking fresh. In my beamer. All day I drive around in my beamer.
When I step up on his block and I take a look at his beamer, the kid's so hot he's making me drop. I wanna ride in his beamer, his wind shining up.
Here is a little twist. So I have taken this screen down to pieces. I have taken it off everything because I could not find a place which I actually liked where I would want to install it. So I took out only the screen and I plan to install it here, such that the wires will go inside the dashboard and the screen I will stick it here. Do not do this until you are absolutely confident that you are okay with losing the screen. So I might have lost it, but I am okay to take the risk. Let's see. So I did a lot of extra effort to install the screen like this. It is not permanent yet. I'll paint this black also. But you don't need to do this. You can just simply install on the dashboard if you want. I want it like this because it feels more, into the car and not something installed externally. And here are the wires. So I hope, I haven't tested it yet, I hope I can just directly connect them and it will work. This thing really helped me a lot, because last time I opened this dashboard it was a pain in the ass because the screws are in so difficult places. But this one, oh, I love it. Already recovered its money. Yeah.
I rep, I put my heart and soul into the very depth. As I walk, people staring, they're like, how this kid swagger so tight? Oh my god, I'm a money making machine. Inquired all the time, questions pop up. Where I'm getting that green, they wanna know where I go, what I do, where I'm at, click clack. Recommend you stay back, I'm a crazy made man for you yet to discover. Keep pushing my buttons and I'ma start the show. Let the others understand how I roll in the streets, a true soldier. Always carrying my heat. Winner, winner is all here around me, cause that's the usual life of an OG. When I hit up the mall, people be asking me how. Each of my arms is bigger than my house. In my beamer, all day I drive around in my beamer. All day I drive around in my beamer. Starting hard, look looking fresh in my Beamer, in my Beamer, in my Beamer. All day I drive around in my Beamer.
When I step up on his block and I take a look at his Beamer, the kid's so hot he's making me drop. I wanna ride in his Beamer. His wind shining up in my eyes and it's got me so hypnotized. Something about him I don't really know, but the way he puts on his show. In my Beamer, in my Beamer, all day I drive around in my Beamer. In my Beamer, in my Beamer, all day I drive around in my Beamer.
So guys, it's a new day and the installation is complete. Let me show you the camera. It looks inbuilt, doesn't look like anything installed from outside. So here is the camera and the wires run below the side panel, below the seats and the side panels. Here is the LCD on the dashboard. This is how it looks. Need to paint that white part black. It comes in action as soon as you put on the reverse gear. So here the screen is on and you can see whatever is behind your cars. Perfect. That's a wrap. See you in the next one. If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.
In my Beamer, all day I drive around in my Beamer.